All right, section 3.2, journalizing buying insurance, buying on account, and paying on account. On page 63, okay, we're paying cash for insurance. Okay, so insurance is an asset account. Insurance is going to go up, cash will decrease. The steps for doing this is on page 63 down at the bottom. Bought supplies on account. Okay, supplies is an asset, so our asset account is going to increase. We bought on account, and accounts payable is now created, and our accounts payable will increase. And accounts payable is going to be a liability. Steps for that is on page 64. Page 65, pay cash on account. On account means that we've reduced our liability, our accounts payable, and we've also reduced our cash. And the steps for that is on page 65. Okay, let's walk through doing work together 3.2. It's the same company, it's basically the same problem, because if you look, this is what we just did in work together 3-1. So we're just going to continue on the same journal. On April the 5th, okay, so you have April starts out, so here's your chronological order. You bought supplies on account. Okay, bought supplies. Supplies is going to be an asset. Assets increase with a debit, so supplies will be our first entry because we put our debits first. $500. I'm sorry, let's do our source document, which is Memorandum 1, and this is going to be $500. And we bought on account from Palm Supply, so this is going to be accounts payable, Palm Supply. Accounts payable is a liability. Our liabilities increase, so we show that with a credit. On the 7th, paid cash for insurance. Cash and insurance are two asset accounts. Okay, cash, if we paid cash, cash is decreased, so that's going to be a credit. Insurance increased because we bought more insurance, so that's going to be reflected as a debit. So on the 7th, the account that we use is prepaid insurance, not expense. Prepaid insurance. Okay, we wrote a check, so that was C2 for check 2. We bought $300 worth of insurance, so this asset account increased with a debit. We paid with cash. Cash decreases. It's an asset account with a credit. On the 9th, paid cash on account to Palm Supply. Paid cash on account. So on account means it's a liability. Cash is an asset. If you look right here, this is the liability. When we bought supplies on account, it was a credit. Now we're going to pay. So we're going to reduce that. So it's going to be on the 9th. It's going to be accounts payable, Palm Supply, check 3. We're reducing our liability account. We do that with a debit. We paid cash, and our cash is being reduced. It's an asset account. We do that with a credit.